Dancers show their talent on DID, singers go to India's Got Talent. But what about the genius kids who love to innovate? Do they really have a platform to compete, win, and get recognition for it? Well, now they do. Avishkaar presents Innovator of the Month, a bi-monthly challenge where children who love to innovate get to bring their creative and innovative ideas in front of the world, compete with their peers, and get recognition and awards for it. In this challenge, we come up with different problems and invite kids to discover possible solutions. These problems can range from global warming to innovating for world peace or helping the sick. Children not only get a chance to present their ideas but also contribute to helping the society. It builds up their confidence, presentation, and problem solving skills. Use robots, DIY material, or anything you are good with and build a solution is what we stand for, and it comes with its own perks. We believe in rewarding talent, and we do that well with prizes such as smart watches, speakers, toolkits, welding stations, HD webcams, power banks, and much more. Sounds amazing, right? Then what are you waiting for? Check out our website to know about the latest live contests. Participate and stand a chance to win exciting prizes and showcase your ideas in front of the world. Follow Avishkaar for all updates and more information on the IoT challenge. #DareToLive.